Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share the recipe of Flourless chocolate banana cake. It's quick and delicious dessert that can be made ahead of time. Without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe we will need 2 ripe bananas, 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons of cacao powder, half of teaspoon of baking powder, 50 grams of chocolate chips, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 60 grams of heavy cream, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Start by mashing 2 ripe bananas into a puree. In blender, add banana puree, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 3 tablespoons of cacao powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix until everything is incorporated. Now let's butter 4 ramekins and dust with some cacao powder. Divide butter evenly into the prepared ramekins and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. Heat 60 grams of heavy cream in a small saucepan until it begins to gently simmer, and then pour over 50 grams of chocolate and let it sit for a few minutes. Then slowly stir until completely combined and chocolate has melted. Pour melted chocolate over the cakes and refrigerate for at least 1 hour before serving. And this is it, our flourless chocolate banana cake is ready. Bon appetit!